Are you starting your nursing placement in 2025? Don't start unprepared. In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know to survive, thrive, and stand out from day one. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Diana, and on this channel I make videos about mental health awareness, general health and nursing topics, and provide insights for navigating the challenges of nursing school. If these topics are of interest to you, go on and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on the valuable content I put out on this channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate nursing placement guide for 2025. Whether you're just starting your very first nursing placement or looking to level up your nursing placement game, this video has everything you need to hit the ground running. I've broken the information into 6 clear sections plus a bonus section at the end where I'll be sharing my top success tips, the same ones that have helped me consistently score 100% in all my nursing placements thus far. So stick around till the end so you don't miss out. So what exactly is a nursing placement? It is where theory meets practice. When you step into real healthcare settings, working alongside professionals to develop the skills and confidence needed to care for patients. For this year 2025, nursing placements have become even more dynamic and demanding, so preparation is key. Before stepping into any placement, preparation is your best friend. Here's how to start strong. 1. Research your placement area. Arrange a pre-placement visit to the site if possible. This demonstrates your enthusiasm to the team that you'll be working with. If this is not possible, call to introduce yourself. Learn about the specialties and patient demographics of the placement area. This can be found on their websites. Connect with peers who've been there before. Knowing what to expect reduces anxiety and helps you prepare for specific challenges. 2. Brush up on key skills. Review essential clinical skills like hand washing, taking vital signs, and basic patient care, and use online resources and simulation tools to practice. 3. Organize your uniform and equipment. Double-check the uniform requirements of your placement area and ensure you have essential tools such as a pen touch, a fob watch, and comfortable shoes. 4. Pack smart. Ensure that you have all your essentials such as your water bottle, your snacks, and a notebook. If your competency booklet is a hard copy, make sure you've got a folder for that. 5. Understand your learning objectives. Familiarize yourself with the expected outcomes for each placement and set personal goals to focus on areas you want to improve. First day on placement can be nerve-wracking but also exciting. If you have managed to visit the placement area prior, it will be a lot less nerve-wracking for you. But if not, here's what to expect. Orientation, initial interview, and introductions. You will meet your mentor and other team members. You'll be given a tour of the ward and you will learn about the ward's routine. You will also be introduced to key emergency procedures and given key contact information. Stay observant so you can see how staff interact with patients and each other. Also, learn the ward's workflow. This will help you integrate quickly. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask. Your mentor does not expect you to know everything. As a matter of fact, they will be expecting you to show curiosity. Be proactive. Offer to assist and get involved with simple tasks. This shows initiative and helps build trust. Confidence doesn't come overnight, but with these tips, you'll grow faster than you think. 1. Establish a routine. Familiarize yourself with the shift patterns and daily tasks. 2. Communicate effectively. Practice clear, respectful communication with patients and colleagues, and always clarify instructions if you're unsure. 3. Set daily goals. Small, achievable goals build your confidence step by step. 4. Accept feedback gracefully. Feedback is your roadmap to growth. Take it positively and apply it. 5. Celebrate small wins. Whether it's inserting a catheter successfully or just finishing a busy shift, every achievement matters. Nursing placements are rewarding, but not without challenges. Here's how to navigate common hurdles. For dealing with stress, practice mindfulness or journaling to manage your emotions, or talk to your mentor, link lecturer, or placement lead if you're struggling. For time management challenges, prioritize tasks and use a pocket notebook to keep track of your responsibilities. To navigate difficult interactions, stay professional, and if conflicts arise, seek guidance from your mentor. Where the conflicts are with your mentor, seek advice from your university link lecturer or placement lead. If you're dealing with imposter syndrome, remember you're there to learn and everyone started where you are now. Reflection is the cornerstone of nursing practice. After each shift, take 5 to 10 minutes to jot down what you learned, what went well, and what you would like to improve. Use models like Gibbs reflective cycle if you're not sure where to start. Reflection isn't just for your portfolio, it's a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. And for the bonus tips I promised at the beginning of this video, if you want to score 100% on your nursing placements, here are 3 top tips to help you. 1. Master reflective writing. Treat every reflective piece as a graded assignment. Write with depth and critical analysis, linking theory to practice. Demonstrating self-awareness and growth through reflection shows your ability to learn and improve. 2. Engage with patients. Stay on the floor, interact with patients, and be proactive. Spending time with patients not only enhances your learning, but also shows initiative and compassion, qualities highly valued by mentors. And 3. Learn from everyone. Be humble and work closely with all team members, especially healthcare assistants. Their hands-on experience and patient-centered knowledge can teach you invaluable skills that textbooks can't. To wrap up, here's my ultimate advice. Be kind to yourself. Nursing placements can be challenging, but they are also an amazing opportunity to grow. Be curious, be proactive, and remember, you've got this. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow student nurses. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice for thriving in your nursing journey. If you've got any questions or topics you would like me to cover, please leave them in the comments. See you next time.